start.
Welcome back, guys. Another episode, almost Yankees. Here we are again. Morning routine, trying to fire the pig up. See how this goes.
Fired.
She's gonna go this time, I think. You better. Don't got time for playing around today. Got a nice list of shit to do. No time for playing around. Looks like it's gonna be a shooter moment. What do you got there, Mark?
Crack for the motor. Straight to the cone. This little sprinkle does a nice job.
Now, on to good old blue. Hook up the trailer first. Get over here, hook up the trailer. So guys, sorry about last video not showing the exhaust coming off or anything. But as you can see, she's sitting right here. So we're gonna pull that off, hook up, move the trailer over here, get ready. Got a few other things we gotta do with that thing first, but you'll see it all in a little time lapse here. Stay tuned, keep watching. We'll talk to you in a little bit.
Got the safety here, good old fridge. Gotta keep everything good. Car's not going anywhere.
It's good. What are we up to now with it? I know we had it up earlier, but...
Well, we gotta get the trailer hitch off for the other car and
couple bolts. They don't look too bad, eh?
yeah, not too bad.
Don't worry about the other side right now. So yeah, as we were saying, the back end...
I think she's in gear. Still goes this way.
Here, she sounds low.
Yeah, rear end's right out of her, so...
Oh, do we want the drive shaft?
No.
No? Okay. That's fine. Yeah, it's kind of jammed anyways now. Then yeah, we're taking brakes off the front. Just to have a spare set to see if they match. Tires off too, then she goes over there on the trailer, so... What's happening, Mark? What's the issue?
Good old Dodge lugs.
Yeah.
They're always like this. They separate. They might look pretty, but they're just garbage.
So if you really look at it, it's got a little bubble on there. Which
Should be a 21 mil, but they warp out so bad to about a 22. And then a 22, you get onto her and she just spins around. That's what happens with these when they get water inside. They blow up. And
So just to be clear here, I did get those two off. Mark's hasn't gotten any of them since he started, so it's not like I haven't done anything like the last video, just to be clear here. Look at this. The fancy get over stage. Got it all chained up there and there. Up underneath. Up she goes. I think we're good there. Thoughts?
Huh?
Thoughts?
Thoughts? I think we're gonna have to move the truck down the laneway a little bit. We gotta back up to that motor.
Yeah.
Get the motor in the trunk.
The motor over there. Proper place, right?
Yeah, I think so. It's the only place to put them.
Right angle too, I think.
Yeah.
Should be good.
Should, yeah. We'll just deal with that and good to go. I don't think we're going to be able to get it up, or the tailgate off, because she's kind of sitting hard on it. So the car's a little longer than my trailer. No worries though, we'll just unchain and then try to lift her without the chain.
That concludes the day of Big Blue for now. Might see her later on in the video. Got some more stuff to do still here. We got strapping down and then on to the next adventure for the day. Where are we off to?
Off to the auto parts store.
As you can see here, might need some new piece added. Who cares for that side though? Just the other side matters.
Yeah, the other one broke off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who cares about the trailer though? Oh, he's way in the truck. As you can see, we got everything.
So all the pins, all the pins broke off inside. So it's just is what it is, and just had to make her work last time we were using it.